Dear students, we'll continue with the exercise 6.1. I hope you understood all the 4 problems. If you have any query, you can raise questions. Now, fifth question. In figure, angle P, okay, in figure, POQ is a line. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. This is the line PQ and OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. OP and OR and OS is lying between them. And prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. See, so we need to write the angles in terms of ROS. Okay. So what are the angles involved? QOS and POS. Where are those? QOS and POS. So what I do? See, we know this. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. So that is the reason can I write POS plus ROS, angle ROS, this angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to PQ, that is 90 degree. Now, ROS can be written as 90 minus angle POS. I will consider it as 1. Next, we need QOS. So in that I need a relation between ROS and QOS. So what I do? ROS is equal to, in this case, QOS angle QOS minus, what is this? ROQ, that is 90 degree. Okay. Now, I will call it as equation 2. Okay. Add 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. So what will I get? ROS plus ROS 2 ROS is equal to 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90. Okay, this 90 will get cancelled. So angle 2 ROS is equal to, I can write it as angle QOS minus angle POS. So angle ROS is equal to, so if I transfer this to the right hand side, that will be 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is the, so this was asked us to show, so we proved it. Sixth question, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of QYP. See, from the given information, how are we going to draw? So XYZ, where the angle is found, the middle term, that is Y. So this will be Y and this will be X and this will be Z. Angle XYZ, angle XYZ, how much it is? 64 degree. Now, if YQ, next one more thing, XY is produced to point Q. XY is produced to point Q. P. So XY is produced to point P. So why did I mention this ray as Z? Because we need to produce XY. So our diagram will be easier to draw. XY is produced to P. Now ray YQ bisects ZYP. This is ZYP and this is Q. This YQ bisects this YQ bisects ZYP. What does it mean? PYQ will be equal to QYZ. Now what has been asked us to calculate? We need to calculate XYQ. Where is XYQ? XYQ, we need to calculate this, and reflex of QXP. Where is QXP? We need to find QYP. Reflex of QYP. QYP. We need to find this. After that, we need to find the value of find the reflex of QYP. Now we'll start with, see, since PYX is a straight line, then the sum of angles PYQ plus QYZ plus ZYX will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle PYQ plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX will be equal to 180 degree. Now let PYQ is equal to QYZ, because YQ is bisecting angle PYZ, then PYQ will be equal to QYZ, let it be equal to X degree. So X plus 64, say ZYX is 64, it is given, is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x plus 64 is equal to 180. Okay, 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. Now 2x is equal to 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1, 6 degree. X is equal to 116 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. That is X is equal to 58 degree. What does it mean? PYQ and QYZ will be equal to X degree. What has been asked us to calculate? XYQ. Where is XYQ? XYQ. Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYQ is equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. XYZ plus QYZ. What is XYZ here? XYZ is nothing but 64, it is given. What is QYZ? That is X, that is 58 degree. So XYQ is equal to 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1, 6 plus 6, 12, 120 degree. One part we have answered. Second part, we need to find the reflex of QYP. So we know that QYP is equal to X is equal to 58 degree. Then reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degree minus 58. Okay, 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 5, 0, that is 302 degree. The reflex of angle QYP is 302 degree.